Hello students, today I am going to solve the exercise 1.1 of our textbook. So keep your textbook with you and open exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. Refer first question. Question number 1. Find highest common factor, that is HCF, of given integers by using Euclid's division lemma. First sum, find HCF of 135 and 225. Since 225 is larger than 135, 225 is larger than 135. Students, now think of about the highest multiple of 135 which does not exceed 225. Now applying Euclid's division lemma to 225 and 135. 135 into 1 plus remainder is 90. So 90 is not is equals to 0, means remainder is not is equals to 0. Therefore, applying Euclid's lemma to 135 and 90, 135 is equals to 90 into 1 plus 45 is remainder. Still 45 is not is equals to 0. Applying the Euclid's lemma to 90 and 45, 90 is equals to 45 into 2 plus 0. Now look at here remainder becomes 0, means r is equals to 0. Therefore our process stop now. The divisor at the last step is 45. Therefore the highest common factor of 135 and 225 is 45. Therefore HCF of 135 and 225 is 45. Right. Sum number 2. Find HCF of 196 and 38,220. We can see here 38,220 is larger than 196. So 38,220 is larger than 196. Means we have to divide 38,220 by 196. Again applying Euclid's division lemma to 38,220 and 196. So 38,220 is equals to 196 multiplied by 195, remainder become 0, right? So at the last step 196 is divisor, therefore highest common factor of 38,220 and 196 is 196. Now sum number 3. Find HCF of 867 and 255. Here 867 is larger than 225. Again we have to think of about the highest multiple of 255. which does not exceeds 867, right? So applying Euclid's division lemma to 867 and 255, 867 is equals to 255 into 3 plus remainder become 102. Here 102 is not is equals to 0, so applying Euclid's division lemma to 255 and 100, so 255 is equals to 102 into 2 plus 51. Still 51 is not is equals to 0, therefore applying Euclid's lemma to 102 and 51, 102 is equals to 51 into 2 plus 0. Here remainder is equals to 0, and at the last step divisor is 51, therefore highest common factor HCF of 867 and 255 is 51. Is it clear, students? Okay, well, now see question number 2. In question number 2, you have to show that any positive integer is of the form 6q or 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, where q is some integer, right? Now let a be any integer, let a be any integer and b is equals to 6. Now applying Euclid's division lemma, there exists q and r such that a is equals to bq plus r. Applying now Euclid's lemma, there exist q and r such that a is equals to bq plus r, where r is less than equals to 0, 0 is less than equals to r less than b, but we have b is equals to 6, therefore a is equals to 6q plus r, where 0 is less than is equals to r less than 6. Remainder is less than 6, therefore r is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now when r is equals to 0, when r is equals to 0, we have a is equals to 6q plus r, but we have r is equals to 0, therefore a is equals to 6q plus 0, therefore a is equals to 6q. Right. When r is equals to 1, we have a is equals to 6q plus r, but r is equals to 1, therefore a is equals to 6q plus 1. Third one, when r is equals to 2, we have a is equals to 6 cube plus r, but we have r is equals to 2, therefore a is equals to 6 cube plus 2. Third one, when r is equals to 3, we have a is equals to 6 cube plus r, but r is equals to 3, therefore a is equals to 6 cube plus 3. When r is equals to 4, we have a is equals to 6 cube plus r, but r is equals to 4, therefore a is equals to 6 cube plus 4. When r is equals to 5, we have a is equals to 6 cube plus r, but r is equals to 5, therefore a is equals to 6 cube plus 5. Right. Here a is being odd integer. We have 6, a is equals to 6 cube plus 1, a is equals to 6 cube plus 3, or a is equals to 6 cube plus 5. Okay, since now question number 3, refer third question, that you can say that we have to find the maximum number of columns by finding out highest common factor of 116 and 32. Okay, here total number of members is equals to 616. Total number of members is equals to 616, and total number of members are to be marched behind an army band of 32 members. So the highest common HCF of 616 and 32 is equals to the maximum number of columns. Now, applying Euclid's division lemma to 616 and 32, 616 is equals to 32 is multiplied by 19, remainder become 8. Here r is not equals to 0. Again applying Euclid's division lemma to 32 and 8. 32 is equals to 8 4s are 32 plus 0. So remainder is 0. At the last step, the divisor is 8. Therefore, HCF of 616.32 is equals to 8, right? Therefore, required number of maximum columns is equals to required number of maximum columns is equals to 8. Any doubt regarding this sum? Well, let us see fourth question. In fourth question, we have to show that the square of any positive integer is of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer. Let a be any positive integer. Let a be any positive integer, then it is of the form 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. For first case 1, a is equals to 3q. Our integer is positive. We have to now squaring on both the sides. Squaring on both the sides. So a square is equals to 3q whole raised to square. Therefore, a square is equals to 9q square. Now, taking 3q common, remains again 3q. Therefore, 3m, where m is equals to q into bracket 3q. So the integer, the square of any integer is the form of 3m. So a square is equals to 3m. Case number 2, a is equals to 3q plus 1. Squaring on both the side, a square is equals to 3q plus 1 whole square. Now look at here, 3q plus 1 whole raised to square. Now applying the identity of expansion, a plus b whole raised to square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Therefore, a square is equals to 9q square plus 6q plus 1. Consider two terms, 9q square plus 6q, taking 3q as a common. 3q, remaining terms are 3q plus 2 plus 1 is equals to 3m plus 1, where m is equals to q into bracket 2q plus 2. Hence you can see that a square is the form of 3m plus 1. Third case, case 3, a is equals to 3q plus 2. Squaring on both the side, a square is equals to 3q plus 2 whole square. Again using that identity of a plus b whole raised to square. So 9q square plus 12q plus 4, right? Now splitting 4, 9q square plus 12q plus 3 plus 1. Taking 3 as a common, 3 remaining terms are 3q square plus 4q plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 3m plus 1 where m is equals to 3q square plus 4q plus 1. Hence we prove that A is the form of, hence A is the form of 3m or 3m plus 1 okay friends. Now question number 5. Show that the cube of any positive integer is either of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8 for some integer. Let x be any positive integer then it is of the form 3q